Hello everyone, I am Swapnil Mane. Today I explain related the topics of SMD, mainly focus on class diagram and component diagram. So start it. In class diagram is a static structure of diagram in UML that describe the structure of the system by showing class attributes and method and its relationship. Many class diagram written first component in classes or mainly first describe the definition. It gives the blueprint of how objects interact and relate in the object oriented programming. It shows the notation of class diagram. It has class name. Class name means main name of the class, and it's are in a capital letter or first compartment in their diagram. Attribute are written in second compartment. It shows the property for the owner or any objects and operations. For operations, we can explain or perform many method of operation. It show in that compartment. It has relationships. Its relationship like association, generalization and dependency. Dependency means it subclass depend on superclass. Generalization same as interference. Inheritance, it shows like a generalization. Subclass depend on superclass, and direct association is a special kind of relationships explain. uh, Gives the example like draw and explain the class diagram for ATM machine. So started explanation. In that ATM machines, we can explain the it has a bank, its attribute and operations. It is a relationships, it is multiplicity or association names are uh, names of relationship are written in this. Its bank has a ATM information and customer. Our customer has a debit card. Our bank directly provide the debit card to the customer. Uh, in that customer, its name, address, date of birth, its attributes, and in ATM information, its location, identification, and transactions are perform operations. Customer has a debit card and it's a account. Account has a debit card also. It's account type and owner. In account type there is a current account and saving account. This is the two types of account or depend on the accounts. And it current account has account number, balance, and operational debit and credit same as the saving accounts. In ATM transaction there is a transaction, date, type and modification. And in that has four subclasses like withdrawal, query transaction, transfer transaction, pin validation transaction. In pin validation there is a old pin or new pin and pin change in the ATM machine. This performed by ATM transaction. Withdrawal and deposit also are perform operations in ATM transaction. So it's about the class diagram. Next class diagram is a coffee vending machine. In coffee vending machine there is a main is a controller or owner. Its attributes are ID and its operation are shown by this. And in many times in company or various shops there it shows coffee vending machine. This is a simple explanation or activity performed by the owner in a ATM machine. These are diagrammatic representation of class diagram. In has is controller has selection panel. Selection panels means screen shown by the copy vending machine. It has product name, status, selection and send status. Controller can click this screen and select the panels, how which type of coffee, its price, quantity are detailed in that. In that it controller can coin collector. It has coin collector means controller give coin to the coin collector, and in collector it has coin price and accounts and it collect the coins. And it next is coffee dispenser means coffee dispenser product, quantity and dispense. Which type of coffee product, its quantity and dispense to the machines are performed in coffee dispenser. And coffee mainly coffee, it's the coffee name, its price and selects which type of coffee have perform in a coffee. This is a select is the operation, and then coin dispenser, how many counts or dispense the coin in that, and then processing the all these things, and copy can be generated or in the put in the glass. So this about the class diagram of coffee vending machine. Next is deployment diagram, sorry, component diagram. In component diagram in email, it used to visualize the organization and relationships of software component in a system. It show how components are wired together to form a larger component or software system. Means it's like a class diagram, only it has a many components, one or other components, and its a diagrammatic representation are different from class diagram. It mainly used in design phase to illustrate the modular product system and their dependency. Sure, this is the component diagram. This is a diagrammatic representation of component diagram. This is the interface used in a component diagram, and other is relationship. Relationship explained before slides. Next is example of the component diagram are of for the ATM machine. This is the all about the component diagram. This is the interface. This is the component diagram main notation, and this is the dependency or relation used in that. This is the association. In that the ATM machine has the ATM transaction, many transaction perform in the ATM machine. ATM machine has a customer console, means which customer or customer account in that customer console. Then customer console, this is web page. A customer shows the screen or web page, and it has online transaction also in that. Main all our things are depend on the bank database. Bank database has a account also, and ATM machine depend also bank database. Account has a card and card reader. Card has card reader, and we have merchant transaction in that. And card reader depend on the bank database. This mainly shows the, और हम क्या कर सकते हैं, जैसे एटीएम मशीन में हम जाते हैं, जो भी प्रोसेस होता है वो शो होता है, उसके लिए कंपोनेंट डायग्राम बनाई है. In that it has a bank has employee also, or client desktop. Employee shows the client desktop and client desktop transaction in that. Mainly हम क्या करते हैं, एटीएम मशीन में जाते हैं, फर्स्टली कार्ड इंसर्ट करते, उसमें डाटा भरते लाइक लैंग्वेज, which type of account है, then enter the amount, and this enter amount, then choose the pin, and then transaction or withdrawal are performed. But all information shows by the bank also, और all जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन हमने सिलेक्ट किए वो बैंक को जाते हैं, और उसमें से हमें मैसेज आता है कि आपने इतने ट्रांजेक्शन हुए, इतने विड्रॉल किए, और वो सब कौन करते हैं, एम्प्लॉय करते हैं, उनको क्लाइंट के इंफॉर्मेशन शोज होते हैं. सो दिस इज अबाउट द कंपोनेंट डायग्राम. थैंक यू सो मच. आपको कैसा लगा वो कमेंट में बताएं.